Welcome to the MyTaxPrepOffice tax software review, usage experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. MyTaxPrepOffice is a user-friendly and cost-effective tax software solution designed for small to mid-sized tax professionals. This platform streamlines tax preparation from simple individual returns to more complex business filings, offering an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. It's particularly well suited for tax preparers looking for a straightforward, efficient solution without the steep learning curve of more advanced platforms. One of the standout features of MyTaxPrepOffice is its flexible pricing structure. It allows tax professionals to choose plans based on their specific needs, making it an affordable option for smaller firms or independent tax preparers. The software provides access to federal and state forms, including support for individual, business, and nonprofit returns. It also integrates seamlessly with e-filing services, ensuring that returns can be submitted directly to the IRS and state agencies quickly and efficiently. MyTaxPrepOffice also offers a suite of tools to help tax professionals manage their practice more effectively. Client management tools allow you to track the status of returns, manage appointments, and communicate with clients directly through the platform. The software's data entry is straightforward and it automates many tasks, reducing the chances of errors while speeding up the preparation process. Additionally, MyTaxPrepOffice provides solid customer support with resources available for troubleshooting and assistance when needed. The platform is cloud-based, which means you can access your work from anywhere, making it a good option for remote teams or tax preparers who need flexibility. Overall, MyTaxPrepOffice is a solid choice for independent tax preparers and small firms seeking a simple, cost-effective solution with essential features for tax preparation. For more details, check the product links in the description below.